Welcome to DAV Model Public School e-learning classes. Standard 9, Subject Science. Chapter 2 is Matter Around Us Pure. This is a revision video. In this video, we will do revision of the chapter Is Matter Around Us Pure. Matter. Any substance which occupies space and have some mass is known as matter. On the basis of physical state, matter is classified into three groups. They are solid, liquid, and gases. The solid, liquid, and gases, these are states of matter. On the basis of chemical composition, matter is classified into two broad groups, that is, pure substances and mixtures, or we can say pure substances or impure substances. Pure substances are of two types, elements and compound. Mixture are also of two types, that is element homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Pure substances. Pure substances is a substance which consists of a single type of substance, that is element or compound. Example, iron, copper, hydrogen, oxygen. These are elements which consist of same type of atoms. Water, sugar, common salt, these are compound which are made up of same type of molecules. Mixtures. Mixture is a substance which consists of two or more pure substances. For example, seawater, which consists of salt, water, and other substances, minerals, soil, air, sand, and salt, sugar in water, salt in water, etc. Difference between pure substance and mixture. Pure substances consist of single type of substance. Mixture consists of two or more pure substances, that is elements or compounds. Pure substance cannot be separated into other substance by physical method. Chemical substance can be separated into its component by physical methods. Pure substances has its own definite property. Mixtures show the property of its constituents. Types of mixture. Mixture are of two types. They are homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture is a mixture which has uniform composition. The particle of homogeneous mixture are not visible by the naked eyes. Particle cannot be separated by filtration. The mixture is stable and particles do not settle down. The path of beam of light is not visible in homogeneous mixture. Example, mixture of sugar in water, mixture of salt in water, mixture of copper sulfate in water, etc. Heterogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous mixture is a mixture which has a non-uniform composition. The particles are visible by naked eyes. The particles can be separated by filtration. Mixture is unstable and the particles settle down after some time. The path of beam of light is visible in the mixture. For example, mixture of sand and salt, mixture of sulfur and iron filling, mixture of oil and water, etc. True solution. A true solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. A solution has a solvent and solute as its component. The component in the larger amount is the solvent and the component in the lesser amount is the solute. Solution of salt in water, solution of sugar in water, iodine in water or iodine in alcohol, soda water, all these are examples of true solution. Properties of true solution. True solution is a homogeneous mixture. The particles cannot be seen by naked eyes. True solution particles cannot be separated by filtration. particles of true solution do not settle down and the solution is stable. Particles do not scatter a beam of light passing through it and the path of light is not visible in the solution. Colloidal solution. A colloidal solution is a heterogeneous mixture of two or more substances. Mixture of starch in water, mixture of egg, albumin in water, milk, air containing dust and smoke, etc. Properties of colloidal solution. Colloidal solution is a heterogeneous mixture. The particle cannot be seen by the naked eyes. The solute particle cannot be separated by filtration. The solute particle do not settle down and the solution is stable. Particles scatter a beam of light passing through it and the path of light is visible in the solution. Suspension. A suspension is a heterogeneous mixture of two or more substances. Solution of sand in water, mixture of chalk powder in water, etc. Properties of suspension. Suspension is a heterogeneous mixture. Particle cannot be seen by the naked eyes. Solute particle can be separated by filtration. The solute particles settle down and the solute is unstable. The particles scatter a beam of light passing through it and the path of light is visible in the solution. Tyndall effect. When a beam of light is passed through a colloidal solution, the colloid particle scatter the beam of light and the path of light became visible in the solution. This effect is called Tyndall effect. Tyndall effect can be seen when light enters a room through a small hole due to scattering of light by the dust and smoke particles. Tyndall effect can be seen in a dense forest due to scattering of light by water droplets in the mist. Thank you.